It's Renee again, and I'm going to be sharing a new vegetable with you today. And I know that rhubarb is one of those things that probably your grandma made. I know my grandma used it a lot and had it in her garden, but I personally have never attempted to use it. And you know, as I always say, I'm not really a cook. But so here's the cool thing, try something new. It's simple, it's not that hard. And today we're gonna be making Instapot rhubarb compote. And you can put this in your smoothies and in your baked goods. It's really, really yummy and tasty, and my kitchen is going to smell amazing. Here we go. The ingredients that we're going to use today is rhubarb, obviously. And I got this rhubarb from Sprouts, and the coolest thing about it, it's frozen, but the main thing that I loved was I was super busy today, so I used my online app called Prime Now, which is from Amazon Prime. And I was able to just order it and tell them I'm going to be home between 2 and 4. They delivered it, and I'm so excited. So we're going to be making this rhubarb compote. I'm going to make one serving. So this is 3 cups. Each bag was 12 ounces. So this is 3 cups of rhubarb. And we are going to use this Walden Farms strawberry, and also sometimes I even use a little bit of strawberry and a little bit of blueberry. I don't happen to have the blueberry today. So we're just going to use 1 serving size. And 1 serving size is 2 tablespoons. So remember, when you're using the sugar-free syrups, always only use this serving size because they do have hidden sugars in them. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some of this Ideal Protein maple syrup. And we're actually going to do a half a serving, which is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And put that in there. And then we have some vanilla extract. We're going to do about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract here. Oops, got a lot. I like vanilla. It's okay. And then we are going to add some cinnamon, and I'm a huge cinnamon person, so we're going to add a little bit there. And then I'm using the Instant Pot today, so I know that it takes a long time to cook down in a regular pot. I'm going to put this on for 20 minutes and see what happens. And if it's not ready, then we'll add some more time to it. I have the Mini Duo Instant Pot, so when you put the lid on, you turn it, you hear that little sound. And then I am going to press pressure cook, and I'm going to set the amount of minutes to 30. So there we go. And then I'm going to turn this to seal, and it will begin once the pressure builds up. It will turn itself on. Did you hear that? We are now going to release the pressure and move the vented valve over to venting. And then we are going to open and take the lid off here. And we have the cooked down rhubarb, and it smells so amazing. I'm also going to add a lemon here. So I'll pull those little seeds out of there. And then we're going to put it in the blender and blend it up. So we're now going to blend it up and puree it in the blender, and then it will be ready to put in any type of baked goods that you're making. I love to put it in my chocolate smoothie, and so many different things you can do with it. You can actually make rhubarb ice cubes so that you have it in an iced format, and you can drop it into all of your smoothies. I'm going to put the compote in some glass containers, and I can keep some of it in the fridge, and then I can keep some of it in the freezer where I can bring it out when I'm ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and it'll give you variety and flavor. Variety is the spice of life. Eating chicken and broccoli every day is not fun. So I hope that you will start trying new things. My next video is going to be about the chayote apples and how to incorporate that and make them so that you have that fruity flavor in your drinks. And I know that a lot of my clients tell me they miss fruit, so this is a great way, low sugar type of vegetable that emulates the taste of apples. So that'll be in the next video, you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy. Send me your likes. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you get the next and most recent videos.